Blessed Gesa family has formally warned Zimbabweans to ignore all funeral fundraising appeals, distancing itself from any individuals or platforms soliciting money in the name of the late comrade Blessed Gesa. Sanabina Mashkubuda Pangona Chinzi. Gesa family warns people about Gambakwe. We didn't send him to collect any money. Let us subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina Panapam Zim Emodani Chinzi. Despite this explicit family warning, several people have accused Pardon Gambakwe of Gambako Media of attempting to profit from the death of Comrade Blessed Gesa in Sarwaka by appealing to the public for financial contributions. The family's statement makes it clear that no one has been authorized to collect donations on their behalf. In quotes, we didn't send him to collect any money, a fellow nephew told Zim-I. Another family member told Zim-I, there is no need whatsoever to collect donations from the public because, as you know, he is being declared a national hero as per the desires expressed to the family by State House. So things are being done by the government. Despite this, Gambakwe has defended his actions, claiming that it was the Gesa family who approached him to help circulate bank account details for donations. He says the funds are intended to facilitate the repatriation of Gesa's body, which remained in South African mortuary for close to a week since his death, as well as to renovate Gesa's Sanyate home, which was destroyed by fire. Gambakwe has also shared bank details for an individual he claims is Gesa Simuzukuru, a move that has further intensified the controversy in light of the family's clear directive rejecting all fundraising efforts. Gambakwe was reached for comment. Ndomashoko anobudanya kupanguva ino pamusoro paGambakwe. Vanhu vachimuti mukomana uyu mashoko anotaura mumbomaona kupi? Bhera comment section medu dzavhungura aim to pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.